Dangerous times. This editorial addresses the rising dangers journalists face amid global unrest. Speaking the truth should never be a death sentence. The most recent figures published by the Committee to Protect Journalists highlight that last year was the deadliest year for reporters and media workers ever since the committee started keeping track of journalist killings about 30 years ago. Deadliest means the most fatal or dangerous. Keeping track of is a phrasal verb meaning to monitor or record something. The CPJ notes that at least 124 journalists were killed in 18 countries in 2024. Reflecting surging levels of international conflict, political unrest, and criminality worldwide. Surging levels means rapidly increasing amounts. Political unrest refers to instability or turmoil in governance. Criminality means engagement in illegal activities. Given its disregard for international law and human rights as well as its routine engagement in war crimes, it is unsurprising that the Israeli military was the worst offender by a significant margin. Disregard means lack of respect or consideration. Routine engagement means frequent involvement. Worst offender refers to the entity responsible for the most violations. A total of 85 journalists were killed in the Israel-Gaza conflict in 2024, all at the hands of the Israeli military. At the hands of as an idiomatic expression meaning to be harmed or affected by someone's actions. Alarmingly, Pakistan ranked at number 2, along with Sudan, for the most journalist fatalities. Today is the most dangerous time to be a journalist in CPJ's history. CPJ CEO Jody Ginsburg was quoted as saying, "It is possibly also the most difficult professionally. The rise of social media has greatly democratized information creation and sharing. Democratized means made accessible to a wider audience. Inadvertently, it has also magnified all the dangers of mass communication that responsible media outlets spent decades building processes and policies to avoid. Inadvertently means unintentionally. Magnified means increased in intensity or importance. With disinformation spreading and public discourse growing increasingly polarized, demagogues worldwide have attacked mainstream media seeking to erode its credibility. Disinformation means false or misleading information spread deliberately. Polarized means divided into opposing groups. Erode credibility is a phrase meaning to weaken trust or believability. Influencers have used their clout and platforms to sow distrust against media workers, gradually diminishing public empathy for journalists' struggles and plight. Clout means influence or power. Sow distrust is an idiomatic expression meaning to create suspicion or lack of trust. This much is evident in the apparent lack of concern for journalists' life and liberty amid a rapid rise in reported fatalities. The rise in journalist killings is part of a broader trend of muzzling the media globally. This is an issue that should worry us all because censorship prevents us from addressing corruption and criminality and from holding the powerful to account, the CPJ chief notes. Muzzling is a metaphor meaning to silence or suppress. Holding to account is an idiomatic expression meaning to make someone responsible for their actions. This trend is especially evident in Pakistan, where the media has been under siege for many years amid an ongoing socio-political crisis. Under siege is an idiomatic expression meaning under attack or extreme pressure. Attempts to control it have become considerably more brazen with time, and the industry is now being targeted with lawfare as well as outright violence by both state and non-state actors. Brazen means bold and without shame. Lawfare is a term used to describe the misuse of legal systems to silence or suppress opponents. Pakistan accounted for 6 journalist killings in 2024, of which 3 were deliberately murdered, according to the CPJ. The year marked the first time since 2021 that journalist fatalities were recorded in the country, making the deteriorating situation all the more alarming. Deteriorating means worsening. Journalists' lives should not be written off as mere statistics. They provide a vital public service that involves much personal sacrifice. Written off is a phrasal verb meaning to disregard or dismiss. It is tragic that their important contributions to society are being repaid with increased violence and suppression.